Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are: I can make representations of fractions, decimals, and percents using manipulative tools such as base 10 blocks or grids, and I can use a model to justify the connection between fractions, decimals, and percent. The first slide is not for you to fill out. That is actually something that your teacher will go over with you in the meet. On the third slide, it says Eric and Tate cannot agree on the amount shaded on the 100% block shown right here on the bottom right. Eric says it shows 2/10 of the 100% block and 3/100 of the block, while Tate says it shows 23/100 of the whole block. What would you tell Eric and Tate? Who's correct? And then explain your answer. So is it 2/10 and 3/100 that are shaded, or is it 23/100? Is it both? Another representation of the number shown on the 100% block above is a decimal, which would be written as 0 and 23/100. Compare this number to how Eric and Tate described it. How is that decimal similar to what Eric and Tate said? So how is this decimal similar to what they were saying? And the last slide, if 0 and 23/100 can be represented with 2/10 and 3/100, how can the number 0 and 19/100 be represented? So what base 10 blocks, or what could we use to make 0 and 19/100? And how can the number 0 and 5/10 be represented?